Okay, today we will learn how to shift an 18-speed transmission. But first we need to understand how to shift the first 4 gears. To start shifting, first of all, you have to make sure that you depress the clutch all the way. So I depress the clutch all the way and I'm gonna go into first gear. So to go into first gear, I'm gonna move the lever back and forth. Wherever it stands, I'm gonna push it forward. So this is first gear. Now we are ready to move the truck. First, we will press our foot on the brake, release tractor and trailer brakes, and now we are ready to shift. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna bring the clutch to friction point, I'm gonna release the brakes, and we are moving. So as soon as the truck starts to move, take your foot away from the clutch, because we won't be using the clutch to shift gears. So right now I'm gonna start to increase my RPM. So as my RPMs are increasing, I'm gonna put pressure on the gear and start to pull towards second gear. As soon as the RPM reach around 15-16, we are gonna release the accelerator and shift into the second gear. So I'm increasing the RPM, pulling, going into second gear. Then we are gonna go to third gear. So to increase RPMs, push on the lever all the way right, forward is the third gear. So same procedure. Now I'm gonna go from third to fourth gear. I'm increasing the RPMs, put pressure on the gear towards fourth gear. As soon as it reaches 15-16, take your foot off the gas pedal and go to fourth gear. So these are the 4 basic gears. So I'm gonna do that again. I'm gonna come to a stop. So to come to a stop, press the brake first and then press the clutch all the way. So now I'm gonna go to first gear again, bring the clutch to friction point, release brakes and take your foot off the clutch pedal, start to increase the RPM. As the RPMs are increasing, we're gonna pull the gear lever towards second gear. As soon as it reaches 15-16 RPM, I'm gonna take my foot off the gas pedal and go to second gear again. So I'm gonna push forward, 15-16, third gear, pull forward, pull backward again, 15-16, fourth gear. So to now, that's our 4 basic gears. So anytime, we're gonna do this one more time. So first gear, when I'm gonna go from first to second gear, make sure you guys give a pause, because if I do not give pause and I try to push it, it's gonna grind. So watch again. First gear. So I'm gonna right now I'm gonna give 1 second pause in neutral. So I'm gonna pull, pause, second gear. See, now there is no grind. But when I am going from second to third gear, we do not want to give this pause, because when the gear lever goes neutral, right, top, it automatically gets that pause. So I'm gonna start to push, no pause, right away third gear. So then again, from third to fourth gear, I'm gonna give 1 second pause. Pull, 1 and gear. So 1 to 2, you want to give pause. From 2 to 3, no pause. 3 to 4, again, we're gonna give a 1 second pause.